Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Usumbun Menteri Rangba Kajalau ba Prestone dan Song Uloong ba umso don Sngewmyntoi AA banyak keren halor ke jingkeno ke seng kongres ba kadon ke jingkit lani ke jingti duyang bean namar kide ke jingkeno ke bomdon nongrim Uloong mokum kini ke jingkeno ke jumi na kapor sakapor ndai ka an ke don benpej ya kita.
It is their duty who file an FIR to follow it up. Because see, police, they cannot just refuse the FIR. Once you do the FIR means you have to register. Whether that FIR file, is it according to the challan? Is it no paper? Is it no challan? For that, so I don't know because I just saw in the newspaper. So therefore, I'm telling you, the movement of coal trucks here is according to the auction of coal, 50,000, 1 lakh, like that. So, and now again, the process of auctioning will again restart in West Khasi Hills. They have just done it in Jati Hills, and now in West Khasi Hills, then again in Garo Hills. It's like that. Why you keep asking me this question? I said, why not you name all those other members of that high-level committee? Who's that high level? Because as I said to you, don't just listen from Tom, Dick and Harry. If they just say like that, it's not a gospel truth. If you really want from the media media house, why don't you please kindly find out the truth? Whether these trucks plying on the road, is it without paper? Or is it with paper? Is it with challan or is it without challan? With that itself, I'm telling you, you will know everything. But if you want to find out the truth, why not you also spend time? Go and then find out whether this coal trucks movement, do they have papers or not? That itself you understand. If you don't have paper, straight, police has to arrest it. If they have papers, you cannot. It's not very clear. It's simple, like that.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.